Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video we are going to learn how to speak English language and how to learn English language and how many mistakes people make while learning English language, and just because of those mistakes they have to face problems while learning English language, while speaking English language after some time, and how many mistakes I used to make when I used to learn English language. And just because of those mistakes today I am struggling. Today sometimes I have to face problems while speaking English language. So that is why I'm sharing with you the thing that so that you could not have to face the same problems that I had to face. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about those types of things, and this video is going to be very interesting, so keep watching this video till the end. So let's get started. So my friend, if I talk about the first point, how to learn English language. So see, our journey starts from that day when we start learning English language. If we are starting today onwards, so our journey starts of our journey of speaking English language starts from today. Getting the point? See, what happens actually, the people who learn English language, all the people, I cannot say that all the people, but most of the people make the same mistake. See, when we start learning English language, we try to frame the sentences in our notebook, right? We learn many more vocabularies, we write the sentences, we learn many things, and we don't speak loudly. I'm saying loudly. We think in our mind only that yes, this is the sentence, and now in this way it can be framed, and then we frame it, we make a lot of sentences, and then we don't speak it loudly. So my friend, if we don't speak it loudly, so how we can speak it after some time? See, the same sentences we are making, the same sentences we are framing now, if you are learning English language and you are framing the sentence, so your journey starts. Your journey of speaking English language starts from today. It starts from that day when you start your writing, writing the sentences, framing the sentences. Getting the point? Start speaking from that day. While writing, you should speak as well those tenses. And see, the same vocabularies you are writing, those same vocabularies you should speak to talk. You should speak to talk about your life, to talk about your routine, to talk about your whatever you do. I mean, just relate it to yourself, and those vocabularies, use those vocabularies by framing the sentences, by making the sentences. Don't just write but speak as well. Okay, I want to say only this thing, that try to speak as well those vocabularies, whatever you are learning. Getting the point? What we learn, we just write it down in our notebook, and we don't think in our mind, we don't speak it as well. And if I talk about the second one, how to speak English language. So my friend, see, as we all are aware about that, some of the sentences we all know that if you are not able to speak English language, still you can speak some of the things. Everyone knows some of the vocabulary, some of the sentences easily we can speak. But the problem arises here we don't have courage, we don't have confidence to speak in front of someone. So don't speak in front of someone. Don't think that where should I go to speak English language, where should I go for practice of English language. So my friend, see, just go to the children's, and just start speaking with those children. Just start asking the questions. What do you do? What is your father's name? And what does your father do? And where are you going? What are you doing? What is here in your bag? Different types of sentences you should speak. You should talk to the children. If you want to become a fluent speaker in a short period of time, speaking matters a lot. Every single day you should speak. Every single day you need to speak if you want to become a fluent speaker in a short period of time. Getting the point? I'm not manipulating you. It is the reality. If you speak from today onwards, if you are starting English language, if you are learning English, if you are starting learning English language from today onwards, so your journey of speaking English language starts from today onwards. Getting the point? Must remember this thing. And if I talk about the second point, like second point actually I have shared with you, like how to speak English language. So go to the children's and speak with children's. If you don't have a fluency, if you have fluency, then you can go anywhere. And I know you may have any friend, you may have your application, any type of application you will be using it while speaking English language, for practice of speaking English language, so try to speak as well. Okay, it is also necessary. Because in our initial days, our tongue don't twist according to the sentence. We make a lot of mistakes while pronouncing any word. I'm also making a lot of mistakes while speaking English language, right? So making mistakes is not a bad thing. Making mistake is not a bad thing. It is the part of learning. Okay, don't afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistake. Okay, so if I talk about the third one, how I used to learn English language and how many mistakes I used to make while learning English language, and how many mistakes I used to make while speaking English language. So listen to me carefully, because I do not want you to face the same problems what I had to face. Okay, so that is why I'm sharing with you, so that you could not have to face the same phase of that failure of that person who couldn't learn English language, who couldn't speak English language in a short period of time. So listen to me carefully. When I started learning English language, so I wasn't able to understand anything in tenses, because I was just finding the best video in which I could learn English in a easy way. So first of all, I started learning from very 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 starting point, from very low level, like as we all start, so I just started watching multiple types of videos. Sometimes I used to watch uh, future tenses. Sometimes I used to watch how to use be, how to use been, how to use being. Sometimes I used to watch how to understand past perfect. Sometimes I used to learn passive voice. Sometimes I used to learn articles. Sometimes I used to learn determined. I mean different types of things. I could not learn in a basic structure. I could not learn step by step, and just because of those things I took a long time to speak English language, to become a fluent speaker. Still I am struggling. See, I know you may not be making the same mistake whatever I used to make, because my problem was something else. So that is why I couldn't understand that what is right and what is wrong, because I used to watch only one video, only one person, and he used to, whatever he used to bring in his videos, whatever he used to show us, we used to watch that video. Okay, so that is why I did not used to go anywhere else instead of that one. So that is why I couldn't learn each and everything step by step. Okay, so I'm just saying that if you are learning, so don't chase all the things. First of all, clear your tenses, all the tenses, and don't forget speaking as well. And if you are talking about vocabularies, you may be thinking that while speaking English language, you may be thinking that how many vocabularies we have to learn for speaking English language. You may be thinking that we need to have so many vocabularies to start speaking English language. So how we can speak English language? My friend, whatever vocabularies you are using while framing the sentences, the same vocabularies you can use while speaking English language as well. Just relate it to your life. Whatever you do in your daily life, speak only those things, and those vocabularies you can use while talking to explaining about your daily routine, about your life. See, if you are learning any type of sentence, just relate it to your life. If you are learning past tenses, so go in your past. Whatever you used to do in your childhood, whatever you did yesterday, whatever you have done yesterday, whatever you have learned yesterday, just try to explain those things again, try to remember those things again, try to recall those things. If you have learned yesterday something new, try to recall that. Yeah, yesterday I learned this thing, so it is past tense. Okay, so I mean, try to relate it to your life, and you can make those sentences by using the same vocabularies which you are using while framing the sentences. Okay, and if you are not able to speak English language, still you are not able to speak English language, so try to remember, try to learn some of the vocabularies, some of the daily uses vocabularies, and then you can speak easily. If I talk about myself, I was quite mad, I think so. I used to mug up a lot of advanced vocabularies while learning English language. When I did not used to even speak, I used to mug up a lot of vocabularies in my notebook. Still there are many vocabularies, and when I used to learn, so at those days I used to mug up a lot of vocabularies, and today I'm learning, tomorrow I will forget. This thing, this thing used to be happen to me, and just because of this thing I couldn't speak at those days, and I had to face problems, and I have spent a lot of time as well. So that is why I'm saying that don't try to learn advanced vocabularies in your initial days, and just try to speak, man. Try to speak, my friend. If you are learning, whatever you are learning, whatever sentence you are framing, try to speak as well. Okay, try to practice. Your journey starts from that day when you start learning English language. Okay, don't forget speaking matters a lot. If you want to become a fluent speaker in a short period of time, and there is no a fixed timing, there is no an exact timing of learning English language, of becoming a fluent speaker in English language. It is depend on you, it is up to you how long you speak, how long time you practice. Getting the point? If you practice hours and hours, then after some time you will be able to speak as well. Okay, you can see the change in your improvement in your English language, like how you are speaking. So don't forget speaking. Okay, and don't try to learn advanced vocabularies. Whatever sentence you are learning, try to speak as well loudly. Okay, just practice, and then you will see the change. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.